night I watched the Champions League match, Barcelona versus Bayern. I thought this match will be, even though Barcelona was playing horrible football and La Liga couldn't manage to win the La Liga because of their useless manager and the useless players. I thought it'll be a competitive match. It'll be close enough. I thought Bayern will edge it, but it'll be close enough. But the way Barcelona play yesterday, right? From FC Barcelona, it became FC Banter Club FC Banter Club after they finished 90 minutes. Absolutely horrible, horrendous decisions made on the pitch, from managers to players to from defense, from goalkeeper to everything was horrible. Just everything was horrible. The Bayern team, forget about outplayed. It was way ahead than that, way ahead than outplaying them, way ahead than outplaying them. They couldn't even match. They couldn't even match. Not even from any department. They couldn't match, from defense to midfield. Midfield was still not even alive. It was not even seen on the pitch. That's another thing. From defense to midfield to attack, everything was horrible from the team. Everything was horrible from this team. And you can't. I just don't. You don't expect an FC Barcelona club which is renowned from everywhere all over in this world, and they call themselves as the best team in Europe and all these things which has been there for the past few years, and you can see that team performing so bad. It's just heartbreaking for the Barca fans and the players. Forget about the Barca fans to support these useless, horrendous players and these board members who can't even make proper decisions for their football club to grow back. And the way they performed yesterday, it's any manager who's going to come in for Setien, it's 100% sure. It's just obvious he's going to be sacked. Whoever comes in has a really huge task, and whoever comes in needs to change this club totally. And the big managers won't come until these board members get sacked and someone else comes inside. There's a summer 2021 a board member selection is going to happen, and players like Eric Abidal and this board members like Eric Abidal and all this stuff who is managing this football club should not be there. Just making horrible decisions in football club in terms of selecting players, recruiting players, scouting players, getting in. You're getting in Pjanic, who is a 30-year-old, and getting out Arthur, because I've said in my last video about the deal, and this is the state of the football club, because they're signing players like Griezmann, Dembele, Coutinho for 150 million, Dembele for 120 million, Griezmann for some 100 plus million, 300 million you're spending on players, and you can't even find perfect positions and roles for them in the club for them to shine. Such quality players you have, and players like Coutinho is, you sent him to loan. You spent 150 million and on a transfer fee on him. You can't even play at his selected position, send him on loan, and he's just showing his quality in 10 minutes. 10 minutes was enough for him to show quality against your own parent club. Just shame on you, just shame. Shame on you guys for not finding a perfect position for him. Shame on you scoring against you 2 goals and 1 assist in less than 10 minutes, less than 20 minutes. Shame on you guys, just shame on you. And this football club is absolutely dead. It's absolutely rotten. It's gone. It's one of the most worst clubs I've seen in football history, to call themselves as best in Europe, best in Spain, finishing top 2. Forget about top 4, finishing top 2 every season, and can't even organize their defense. They can't even organize the defense. There's no range of quality they can match in terms of them. Bayern was playing that, again, that counter pressing, getting the ball, winning the ball back. The pace which they have in the club is so strong, and they have Leroy Sané, who needs to start next season. So just imagine this club. It's a club which is deserved to win the Champions League if they go forward, and it's absolutely deserved. They annihilated our team. They annihilated Chelsea. They annihilated Barcelona, and they call themselves, and players like Vidal and giving under speech, we are the biggest team in Europe. Bayern needs to take care of us. Bayern needs to take care of us. They took care of you, rotten you through one chocolate paper. They wrapped you. Took the players had some amazing walk in the park. It was from garden. That match, wherever the match would happen, it's a garden for them. They're just walking. They was walking over the pitch. Absolutely couldn't match the Alfonso Davis and the left back. What a amazing assist he gave. Left back to right back, they're scoring so much space, so much space. Give right, give wide defense. No defense, no midfield. Without them also they could have scored. Only player who's I'm telling you, Messi needs to score. Messi needs to assist. Messi needs to do everything. In the other 10 clubs, why? What are they banking on the club? Banking for the club, banking on the bench and after the game, on the game also, on the pitch. Everything he needs to do, pay him only, right? Why other players? Other players getting 120, 110, 100 million. Why? Why are these guys paying millions and grands per week? They can't give simple instructions. Forget about simple, can't follow simple basic football things need to follow. You're 4-1 down at half time and you can't even organize your freaking defense. What a stupid useless manager he is. They're conceding 5-6 goals and he's sitting and watching. Can't even organize this place, can't even tell them what to do, can't even tell them what to do. They said don't know what to do in the why is he a manager? Why do you want to recruit? Look at the recruitment. Why is he in there? Forget about that was one of the hugest mistake of hiring useless managers for their clubs who doesn't even know one thing about football, doesn't know one thing about football. Couldn't even match their tactics, couldn't even match their tactics. And you're calling yourself as FC Barcelona. Yes, it's 8-2. I will agree. 8-2. 8-2. Just see the scoreline. 8-2. One goal score as an own goal. They could only convert one chance in that whole game. 8-2. Couldn't even look. The defense was just horrible. Messi created 4 chances, 3-4 chances, clear-cut chances. They couldn't convert that because players like Vidal is slow, can't match the team. Then you have players like Longley and PK who don't know what they're doing on the pitch, why they've been playing, are they playing football, that's their job, they lost somewhere in Sahara Desert, somewhere they lost, they don't know what are they doing. Then Nelson Semedo is getting getting sent to he's getting sent every 10 minutes, one time to Portugal, one time to France, one time wherever he gets one time he's getting sent by the players. That players they were dribbling past them, they're just dribbling easily. Left to right, cut, left, right, straight goal. That's it, done. Simply they're finishing the match. Simply they're finishing the match. Physicality also they can't match. In terms of technical ability also they can't match. You're playing FC Barcelona. You're playing for FC Barcelona. You don't even have quality in that team. Doesn't have quality in that team. Don't have quality to match with their team. Nothing they can match with their team. You guys are professional footballers. You're not academy players who's growing. Then you can say yourself, you need to improve your talent. You need to understand the game. There are players like 30, 31 years old who has played so many years of experience in Champions League. They can't even. There's no leaders on the pitch to organize their team. There's no leaders on the pitch to organize their team. Messi isn't a leader. He's a good player. He can lead you in terms of scoring goals. But who's there as a leader to match? The manager is to leave it. There's no any number of quality of managing. But where are the players? Where are they not regrouping? After every goal they're conceding, they're not regrouping. 7-0 after 2 minutes they're scoring 8-2. What are the defense doing? What is the defense doing? And Nelson Semedo should be out of this club. Longley should be out of this club. PK is dead, he needs to be out of the club. And left back Jordi Alba was just playing average. For this quality was just playing average. It was just an average performance from this Barcelona. Forget average. Worse than average performance from the Barcelona team. For this team to improve, first 3 things need to happen. Board members need to change or Messi should just leave this club. The board members isn't necessary. There should be a new title, there should be a new manager, there should be 10 new players. All this thing needs to happen. They're far way ahead from their team to win a Champions League. And if they need to follow a new protocol in their club for these changes, then they can soon see a Champions League trophy in 4-5 years. They have the money, they have the finance, they have everything, but they don't have football brains. Simple. They don't have football brains. The people who are above them don't have football brains. They don't know who to recruit, they don't know who to scout. Absolutely horrible. Absolutely horrible. Not in terms of this performance, as a season as a whole. as a season as a whole, they can't even match. They can't even match the quality. They can't match the quality. They couldn't win the La Liga. They're losing against some smaller league side clubs. They're losing against Leganes. They're losing against Celta Vigo. Sometimes I'm just randomly saying, but they're losing against smaller clubs. They couldn't even match the quality of the players with them. Then you're talking about Bayern Munich where they need to match with them. How is it possible? I thought this will be some 3-1, 2-1. 8-2 and all no one expected. 8-2 is horrible. 8-2 is just horrible. You can lose a match, but there's not. Why can't you just regroup? That you know they're coming onto you. They're coming onto you. They want to win the ball. They want to score more goals. Where is the regroupment? Where's the regroupment? They just counter pressing. They knew if they do tactics like Klopp uses gegen pressing for his club against Liverpool, so that they intend to lose the ball and give away. They know that the Bundesliga teams play like that. They try to press and try to make you mistake. Where are these PK and what is PK doing? PK, what is he doing? He's some experienced footballer, doesn't even know how to handle situations like this. They can't even help his teammate Longley to calm down and appreciate and tell them to come back. They are totally lost. They don't know what to do. These players were playing like some 18-year-old academy players who's just growing as a football club. Can't even match. Don't know what to even do. Manager is one to useless manager. I'm just saying for the past three times. He's sitting over there watching, don't know how to regroup, you're 4-1 down, you need to give them motivation, what motivation is giving, I don't know what he's doing in life, he's wearing some jean pants, wearing some sneakers, coming onto the pitch, watching some match, don't know what to do in life. He's not even worth to even manage smaller side league clubs for the way he's performing. Absolutely horrible, absolutely horrible. This Bayern team deserved winners. Their chances of winning the Champions League if they have a lot. And Manchester City, please look through it. If you are guys also make the same defensive errors like them, you're going to be battered like them. You're going to be battered like them. Just top quality. That team is just too dangerous. It's too dangerous, and it's very good to see as a neutral football fan to see a team which is so. I've never seen this type of dangerous teams for the past few years in football history. And what is more very exciting and the most that I like about the Bayern club is they're so versatile in their positions, Akim can play CM, Kim can play right back. Sometimes he can go forward and attack. Alphonso Davies to give him space for left back. Alaba is playing centre back. Their weak link is Boateng, but still manageable. They have midfielders like Goretzka, whose physicality who can go and do things. He's just so his physicality is improved and his skills has improved. Yeah, Lewandowski who can play as a winger sometimes. Then he can play as a striker. Can change roles. They're playing false nine roles. Muller is coming 30 years old. He's playing some world class pakka, awesome. It's amazing. He's playing football. Gnabry is there who's playing some quality football. If that is not that, there are options like Coutinho who can give additional support. There Perisic is on loan, Coutinho on loan. Now there Sane who's coming in. The quality players. They have Tolisso, Coleman who's not can't even start for their club. That type of quality that they come in half time, they score in 2-3 minutes. They can make an impact and first touch only is making impact. Coleman first touch only can make impact. Perisic didn't even go and sit on this thing. His first touch, first shot is giving. If that is also not defended, pretty sure 11-2, 13-2 which are gone the way they played. No quality only. I thought our defense is worse. Chelsea defense was second worst. This one is third rated quality, fourth rated bullshit defense. Bullshit, Boca Chala defense was. Useless asshole defending it was. Bullshit, quarterfinals Champions League can't even play proper football and calling themselves. When next time there's Barca fans come, I'll talk to them about useless fans. Talk about other clubs about not performing. Can't even see their own club, their aging club. They can't even send proper players, and they call themselves as football club. So many chances created by Messi. The chances which they created can't even finish. His chances which is created can't even finish, and he can't do anything. Everyone is pressing onto him, getting on the ball. What can he do? It was to 1v11, 1 versus 11. Only one player who knows to play football, and Suarez also some intent. Other players, I don't know. Telling you, if your defense is so horrible in your football club, you can't do anything. You can score 3, 4, 5, 6 goals, but your defense is like that means you can't do anything. And it showed. The truth was shown against bigger clubs. When you can't play against bigger clubs, you can't call yourself as champions. You can't call yourself as best team in England, best team in this team if you can't perform against bigger clubs. Once the you perform in the Champions League, then you can call yourself as best club. If you can't perform in the Champions League, you can't call yourself as just best club. The situation where you can handle with players not there. What is it? What a stupid excuse you can guys give. Umtiti is not playing second leg. This is not Barcelona with excuses. You have players like Iniesta, Xavi used to like when they see them players used to get scared. Players used to get scared. There's no everyone is walk in the park. Walk in the park. Horrendous. Just absolutely horrendous.